From the sun-dappled shallows to the inky blackness of the abyss, our oceans teem with life. And amongst the most fascinating and diverse creatures that call this watery world home are the cephalopods, creatures of incredible intelligence, adaptability, and beauty. Today, we embark on a journey into their world, focusing on a group both familiar and mysterious, the squids. Prepare to be amazed by their otherworldly forms, their remarkable hunting strategies, and the sheer variety of their kind. From the gargantuan to the minuscule, the flamboyant to the masters of camouflage, the world of squids is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. So join me as we plunge into the deep and come face to face with 10 of the most amazing squid species our planet has to offer. Our journey begins with a creature long shrouded in myth and legend, the giant squid. For centuries, tales have been spun of colossal krakens, dragging ships and sailors to their doom. While the reality is less dramatic, the giant squid remains a creature of impressive size and power. Imagine, if you will, a creature as long as a school bus, with eyes the size of dinner plates. These deep-sea denizens are rarely seen, their lives playing out in the cold, dark depths far from our view. But the glimpses we have had, through stranded specimens and, more recently, underwater footage, paint a picture of a truly remarkable animal. Our next encounter takes us to the warmer waters of the Eastern Pacific, where we meet a squid with a fearsome reputation, the Humboldt Squid. Nicknamed the Red Devil by fishermen, these large predatory squids are known for their aggressive nature and their striking red coloration when agitated. Growing up to 6 feet long and armed with sharp beaks and powerful tentacles lined with suckers, Humboldt squid are formidable hunters, preying on fish, crustaceans, and even each other. They are highly social animals, often gathering in large groups known as shoals, which can number in the hundreds or even thousands. Witnessing a feeding frenzy of these voracious predators is a sight both awe-inspiring and slightly terrifying. Prepare yourself for a creature of truly monstrous proportions, the Colossal Squid. While its overall length may be slightly shorter than the giant squid, the Colossal Squid holds the record for the largest invertebrate on Earth by mass. Imagine a creature weighing in at over 1,000 pounds with a mantle, the main body of the squid as wide as a car tire. But the Colossal Squid's most intimidating feature is undoubtedly its tentacles, armed with not just suckers, but also rotating hooks, sharp enough to cut through flesh and bone. These deep-sea giants are thought to be ambush predators, using their large eyes to detect prey in the dim light of the abyss before ensnaring them with their powerful tentacles. Descending further into the abyss, we encounter a creature that seems to have sprung from the pages of a science fiction novel, the vampire squid. Don't let the name fool you. This cephalopod doesn't actually drink blood. Its name comes from its dark webbed arms, which it can draw over itself like a cloak, and its bioluminescent eyes, which glow a haunting blue in the darkness. Found in the oxygen minimum zones of the deep ocean, the vampire squid is a true survivor, a living fossil that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. Instead of hunting actively, it drifts through the darkness, using its long filamentous arms to capture tiny particles of organic matter known as marine snow. From the depths, we ascend to the coastal waters of Japan, where we witness a spectacle of dazzling beauty, the Firefly Squid. These small squids, measuring just a few inches long, are masters of bioluminescence, their bodies covered in tiny light-producing organs called photophores. During their spring spawning season, millions of firefly squid gather in Toyama Bay, creating a breathtaking display of light as they flash their photophores in unison. This mesmerizing light show is thought to serve several purposes, including attracting mates, confusing predators, and luring prey. The firefly squid is a testament to the magic and wonder that can be found in even the smallest corners of our oceans. Our journey takes us back to the deep sea, where we meet a creature that seems to defy gravity, the Dumbo octopus. Named after the beloved Disney character, these adorable cephalopods possess ear-like fins that protrude from their mantles, giving them the appearance of flying through the water. Found at depths of over 13,000 feet, Dumbo octopuses are perfectly adapted to life in this extreme environment. Their gelatinous bodies allow them to withstand the immense pressure of the deep, while their large eyes help them to navigate the darkness. Unlike most octopuses, which crawl along the seabed, Dumbo octopuses are active swimmers, using their fins to propel themselves through the water in search of food. We return to shallower waters, where we encounter a master of camouflage, the big fin reef squid. These colorful cephalopods are named for their large flowing fins, which extend along the length of their mantles, giving them a graceful, almost ethereal appearance. But the big fin reef squid's most impressive feature is its ability to rapidly change color and texture, blending seamlessly with its surroundings. Their skin is covered in thousands of pigment-containing cells called chromatophores, which they can control with remarkable precision. This allows them to communicate with each other, attract mates, and ambush prey with astonishing speed and agility. Hold on to your hats, because our next encounter is with a squid that can fly, the neon flying squid. Well, not quite fly in the traditional sense, but these remarkable cephalopods are capable of launching themselves out of the water and gliding through the air for considerable distances. They achieve this feat by sucking water into their mantle cavity and then expelling it with great force through their funnel, propelling themselves skyward. Once airborne, they spread their fins and arms, using them as wings to glide above the waves. While the exact reason for this behavior is still a mystery, it is thought to be a way of escaping predators or conserving energy on long journeys. Our penultimate encounter takes us to the waters of the Northwest Pacific, where we meet a squid of great commercial importance, the Japanese flying squid. Also known as the Pacific flying squid, these medium-sized squids are highly prized for their delicate flavor and firm texture. They are a staple ingredient in many Japanese dishes, including sushi, sashimi, and tempura. Japanese flying squid are caught in vast numbers each year, using a variety of fishing methods, including jigging and trawling. Their abundance and relatively short lifespan make them a sustainable seafood choice, but it is important to ensure that fishing practices are responsible to protect their populations for future generations. Our final encounter is with a squid that is both familiar and fascinating, the European squid. Found in coastal waters from the North Sea to the Mediterranean, these adaptable cephalopods are a common sight in many parts of Europe. They are a popular target for recreational and commercial fishermen alike, and their meat is enjoyed in a wide variety of dishes. European squid are known for their intelligence and curiosity, and they are often observed interacting with divers and underwater cameras. They are also highly adaptable creatures, able to thrive in a wide range of habitats, from shallow seagrass beds to deeper offshore waters. As we surface from our deep-sea adventure, I hope you'll agree that the world of squids is a truly remarkable one. From the colossal giants of the abyss to the bioluminescent wonders of the shallows, these creatures never cease to amaze. But our exploration of the ocean's wonders doesn't end here. There are countless other fascinating creatures waiting to be discovered, each with its own unique story to tell. So, keep your eyes peeled, your minds open, and your sense of wonder alive, and we'll see you on our next underwater adventure.